Hello, everyone. Happy to see you all once again. Hope you're doing good. Today, we are going to learn about 4 signs that you're close to your breakthrough. I say that again. 4 signs to identify that you're close to your breakthrough. Yes, you heard me right. You are in a new season. You are in a new way to your blessings. God is preparing you for a major breakthrough. Yes, you heard me say that right. God is preparing you for a major breakthrough. Like we have different climatic seasons, we are so well acquainted to the climatic seasons. We know the next coming season and we are well prepared for it. We know and we welcome the season. But likewise, we also have, seasons in our lives. God deals with us differently in different situations. You know, as said in Ecclesiastes 3, is in everything there is a season and a time for every purpose under heaven. So there is a time and a purpose. So likewise, even our breakthrough, we have a season and a time. So, like how we are acquainted to the seasons, the climatic seasons, we also need to be well acquainted and prepare to meet the different seasons of a life. Today I would like to specifically share 4 important signs that happens before a breakthrough. There are certain symptoms. So when you know, when you see, when you identify these symptoms, so you will know that my breakthrough is close by. Wow. When you see all these signs and symptoms, you will get to know that my breakthrough is close by. My breakthrough is near. My blessings are close to me. So, the first sign that you can identify that my breakthrough is near is transition. Transition is from moving from one level to another, a change, a shift. And transition is no easy. It is a very painful situation, a painful process from going from one level to another level, changing from one place to another place. It's no easy again. It's very, very challenging because life is always going to be hard on us. Now, when we are crossing from one road to another road, it's going to be hard. And sometimes even the transitions can be very confusing. It can be also very scary because when shifts are happening in our life, when the transitions are taking place, when we are approaching a new mode, it's going to be painful, it's going to be confusing, it's going to be scary. So the first sign for a breakthrough is near is transition, a change from one level to another level, from one realm to another realm. So it's very painful. It's very, very, it's very confusing at times. The second important sign to know that your breakthrough is near is crisis. You will have to go through a lot of problems. Actually, God's blessing is always wrapped with challenges. I would not call it problem, I would call it as challenges. So every time when you know that your breakthrough is near, you will have to go through a lot of problems, and enemy will use this moment to attack you. He will make sure to kill you even before you can own your breakthrough. You can have your blessings in your hand. He will try to stop it. He will try to kill you, or he will try to disposition you so that you are no worthy of receiving your blessings. He can do anything because he is known for it, as said in John 10. He comes to steal, kill, and destroy. So he will try to kill you before the breakthrough, or he might disposition you so that you don't be in a place of, getting it right. You'll be see in the life of Joseph. Joseph, you know, devils stirred up the spirit of Potiphar's wife to just trap him. because the devil knew that Joseph's breakthrough was very close by. So, in order to make him unworthy, so he tried to stir up the spirit of Potiphar's wife to stop him so that he don't receive the blessings, so that he don't enjoy the breakthrough. So, like how God stirs up the spirit and uses God, and God used people to bless someone, even Satan also tries to stir up someone so that they become an pain to you. They cause a lot of problems to you. They attack you. You will have problems everywhere. If you go to workplace, you will have your boss who is not happy with your performance. He will cut down your opportunities or your promotion, or the devil will stir up the spirit of your own family members so that the people will attack you, gossip about you. And why not? Even in the church, Satan can stir up someone's spirit, some of the spirit of the believers, so that they can gossip around you, say bad things about you. They can even spoil your reputation. So he will cause a lot of problems so that you are no more, worthy to receive your blessings. So understand, every time when you're facing challenges after challenges, time and time again, know that your breakthrough is close. Is close to you and nearer like never before. So sometimes we even also have closed doors. Every time when you try to approach a new door, the door is closed. Every time when you move to the next door, that door also closes. You would hear many people say, I have attended my interview in the last round. I got, refused. I didn't get selected. So you see, there'll be a lot of closed doors, a lot of challenges from different kinds of people in your workplace, in your family. Constantly, the enemy will keep trying to attack you so that you don't receive your blessings, so that you don't enjoy your blessings. So, everywhere, closed doors. And you'll also have, this is a season that you'll have a lot of bad dreams and nightmares. All things, all possible things will go bad for you, because this is one of the signs that you are close to your breakthrough. So don't give up. When you're facing challenges, don't give up. Fight it out and say, yes, my breakthrough is near. I can sense it. I can feel it. The amount of pressure that I'm going through, I know my breakthrough is close to me. So don't give up. Keep fighting. So the third sign that you're close to your breakthrough is unwanted people will be removed. Yes, you heard me right. God will try to isolate you from certain people that can, they might actually endure your blessings. So God knows, who can be your hindrance. So God will try to isolate from all the people, because there are too many people around you, too many voices, too many ideas coming from them, and too many directions. God is going to stop all of that and isolate you slowly from all the men. No matter how hard you try to sustain those people in your life, it's not going to happen, because God will isolate you from certain people. You can know that your breakthrough is near. We see in the life of Job, so many people left him. Why? Because as he was getting closer to his breakthrough, the double portion of blessing, many people left him. His friends, his own wife, children had to be taken away from him so that he receives the double portion of blessings. So every time when you're isolated from certain people, remember that you're close to your breakthrough. You're close to your breakthrough. So don't feel upset about it. Don't feel sad about it. Or don't try to sustain those people. What God has rejected is rejected in your life. We see that Samuel who kept crying and weeping for King Saul when God rejected him to be the king. But God said, why are you crying, Samuel, for what I have rejected? So certain people cry, they're upset, they try to, reconnect with certain people. No, what God has kept you away from certain relationship, be away. God intentionally, listen to me, beloved, God has intentionally removed them from your life so that you can obtain your blessings, so that you can get close to your breakthrough and receive your, God-given blessings. So sometimes it's hard, even in the life of Gideon. Even before he had this success in his life, even before he had the victory in the battle, God said, Gideon, you see, there are too many people with you. So they are going to steal my glory. So God had to remove so many people from the group and say, these people are enough. Otherwise, they would say, my own hand has saved me. They were going to steal my glory. So God removed certain people from the army of Gideon and just sent 300 people. You see? So certain times God will try to isolate you from certain people. Don't try to sustain them, don't try to weep, or don't try to reconnect. Stay away from them so that you obtain your blessing. So when all these things are happening, don't get upset. Rejoice and be happy because you're getting close to your breakthrough. And the fourth sign that you know that your breakthrough is near is, spiritual appetite. Yes, in Philippians 2, verse 13, it says, it is God who works in you both to desire and to do his will. Both, even to will and even to have the desire, it's God given. It's God given. So all of a sudden, when your breakthrough is getting close to you, you will suddenly have a spiritual appetite. You will feel like praying in the morning 3 a.m. You'll wake up 3 a.m. regularly, 4 a.m. regularly, and pray with a purpose and with a great desire. And suddenly, a desire to be in His presence, to read the Word of God, will just gradually grow. And even to fast. Before, fasting was so difficult for you. But now it has become so effortless for me. I can just fast crazily. So you see, certainly there will be certain spiritual appetite. Listening to sermons, listening to podcasts, even if you get little time, you start to praise and worship God. And no more you have a desire for all this, chatting and other entertainments of this world, the pleasures of the world. Suddenly you will have no desire for all of that. Suddenly the spiritual appetite will increase gradually so that you pray so much. You wake up early morning and be in His presence. Sudden desire to read and meditate His word. And all of that is God is working in you. God is working in you so that God makes you worthy to receive the blessing that He has reserved for you. So these are the four signs. When you see these four signs, you should know that I am getting closer to my breakthrough. I'm getting closer to my blessing. The first sign is the transition, a shift, a change from one level to another. And the second, crisis, the problems, the challenges, because all God's blessings are wrapped with challenges. And the third thing is unwanted people will be removed from our life. It could be a closest friend, a closest family member, a closest church believer, whoever it is. God will isolate them because too many people was going to steal God's glory. And the fourth sign that you're close to your breakthrough is spiritual appetite. I know you have a sudden desire to spend more time with God, listening to His voice, reading about, interacting with Him, talking to Him, sudden hunger and thirst for His presence. So when you know all these things are happening, your breakthrough is near. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hope that you receive your God-reserved blessings. God bless you. Take care. Stay blessed until we meet in the next video.